Looking for a quick escape? Check out the best day trips from Tbilisi, where nature, history, and unique experiences come together for a perfect outing.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
The Kazbegi tour offers a comprehensive exploration of the region, providing visitors with unparalleled access to some of Georgia's most captivating sights. This itinerary begins with a scenic journey to the Zhenvali water reservoir, constructed in the late 1980s to meet the burgeoning needs of Tbilisi for fresh water. En route, passengers can appreciate the serene beauty of the lake, framed against the backdrop of verdant forests. Following the picturesque journey, our tour continues towards the Ananuri Fortress, an architectural marvel from the 17th century that stands testament to its storied past. Central Georgia offers a rich tapestry of historical significance across various epochs. This comprehensive day trip from Tbilisi begins with exploring the mystical cave city of Tbilisi. Nestled among its verdant surrounding sheer, one can marvel at the intricate network of caves and tunnels, reflecting the region's ancient pagan heritage. Following Tbilisi, we proceed to the picturesque town of Gori, known for its monumental Soviet museum dedicated to the life and legacy of Joseph Stalin. His birthplace serves as a poignant reminder of the tumultuous past of the region. Next, our journey takes us to Immerse, the historic heart of Georgia, where the transition to Christianity occurred in the 4th century. Embark on a captivating exploration of Tbilisi's rich heritage. Starting at the heart of the city with the Mediki Church, proceed along the historic Shardani Street, where you'll find the iconic Sioni Church and the unique clock tower of the Puppet Theater. Rizzo Gabriadze continue to Uchaskati Church, before crossing the Bridge of Peace for a scenic view. Ascend to Reich Park via cable car and marvel at the Mother of Georgia Monument. Descend into the Narikala Fortress, where panoramic vistas await. Take in the architectural wonders of Meteki Church, the monument of Vakhtang Gorgasali, and the Sulphur Baths district below. Upon concluding the interaction with your designated driver, proceed on an exhilarating journey northward along the esteemed Georgian military highway, traversing the rugged landscapes of the Caucasus Mountains. Embark upon this remarkable road, stretching for 220 kilometers, commencing from Tbilisi and extending into Russian territory, tracing its origins back to the 1st century BC. Engage in a picturesque encounter with the Zhenvali hydroelectric dam and reservoir, nestled amidst the Iragvai River. Witness the harmonious blend of nature and man-made structures, offering a breathtaking vista of azure waters from the imposing Ananuri Fortress. Embark on a memorable day tour from Tbilisi to Kazbegi. Departure begins from Tbilisi, traversing the enchanting black and white Iragvi River via Pazanaru. Marvel at the historical significance of Ananuri Fortress. Savor the local honey and sample the bold flavors of cha-cha as you immerse yourself in the rustic charm of Georgia's countryside. Continue along the Georgian military highway, which offers breathtaking views of the stunning landscapes. As you ascend towards Gudari Ski Resort, experience the awe-inspiring alpine beauty. Sample a moment of relaxation amidst local wine, enhancing your adventurous spirit. This tour offers visitors an unparalleled experience exploring the stunning vistas of the Caucasus mountain ranges. Part of this journey, participants will embark on a scenic adventure through breathtaking landscapes. Firstly, they will traverse to Zhenvali Reservoir, a picturesque water reservoir nestled amidst verdant hills. Here, they can breathe in fresh air while enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Next, they'll visit Ananuri Fortress, a medieval stronghold constructed by the Dukes of Aragvi. This historic site dates back to the 13th century and stands proudly on the UNESCO tentative list. showcasing its historical significance. Experience the rich culinary heritage of Georgia through our upcoming cooking class in Tbilisi. Engaging session will introduce participants to the art of making traditional Georgian dishes such as khinkali and khachapuri. Nestled within a charming wine bar, attendees can expect an authentic learning environment featuring a complimentary glass of Georgian wine, locally sourced Georgian cheese, and a refreshing side dish. Following the hands-on preparation, guests will have the opportunity to taste their newly crafted delights in a vibrant ambience.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.